this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel Mahi. So for today I'm gonna be recreating Janhvi Kapoor's brunch makeup look, which was requested to me by Vishali Dubey, and all this is a perfect virtual / morning date look which was requested to me by Hamza Dranzir. I don't know कैसे pronounce करते हैं, but I think the name is Hamza. So this is what I came up with. I think the Janhvi Kapoor brunch makeup look is an ideal look for a morning date because it's very subtle and it's very gorgeous look. I am obsessed with this look. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now with further ado, let's get started with the video. And also don't forget to suggest me more video ideas. I love to do videos that you guys want. So now let's get started with the video. So to start with, her skincare wasn't shown, and to be very honest, it even looks like she has applied foundation already, though she started off by saying that her skin is like she don't need foundation or anything like that. So she just went ahead with a foundation and applied it under her eyes. But I don't know, maybe her skin would be that flawless, but my skin is not that flawless. First I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. क्या पता उसकी स्किन ऑलरेडी एक्चुअल में इतनी फ्लॉलेस हो, बट आई डोंट नो. I'm not a big fan of her, but you guys wanted this tutorial, so I'm filming it, and I actually like the look, so that's why. Next, I'm gonna apply a very little foundation just to even out my skin, and I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Fit Me because I think this is something which everyone of you must be having. Take some of it on my steel plate, and it's about to finish, and I'm gonna apply it using my damp sponge. You can see it's giving me that light yet a subtle coverage. I'm gonna apply some more under my eyes. Basically, she applied the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I don't have that, but I think Fit Me one is really good and close to that because Fit Me is again very thin in texture, and also it has a very good coverage. So now I'm gonna take some powder. So she didn't use any powder, but I need powder to set my under eyes. So I'm gonna apply some on my under eyes and on my nose, forehead. So after base, she did her brows and she used the Nykaa brow pencil, but I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty one, which is like more affordable. So she just like filled her brows. Nothing specific, as she mentioned she don't know much about brows, and this much is enough and pretty much okay. So next what she did her eyes, like eyelids. As you can see in her video, her eyelids were already pink. I don't know how. So I'm gonna take first this what is this, Love Me shade by Essence, and this is like a very light pink lipstick. So I'm gonna apply it on my lids. I'm gonna blend it using my fingers. मैंने कोई भी कॉम्पैक्ट अपनी आईज पे नहीं लगाया था, like so. I think this much is enough and enough of pink. So next I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force face palette. I recently got this palette. So it has like a blusher, highlighter and a contour cum bronzing shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blusher shade and I'm going to lightly set. Next, she used a brown shadow for her crease and also for her under eyes. So I'm gonna take this contour shade, use this for my waterline. So now I'm gonna take a fluffy sort of brush and the same brown shade, and I'm just gonna intensify my crease. And this is pretty much it. Her eye makeup was not even visible enough. So next she took the Nykaa highlighter. I think she took the darker shadow, the darker highlighter, which was like somewhat pinkish tone. So I'm gonna take the Savannah Shimmer Brick, and I'm gonna take this shade from this palette, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lids. She said dewy eyes looks really good, and I completely agree on this. So next she took the Nykaa I Am 27 Kajal, and she just put it on her like eyeline. So I'm gonna take this Lakme 9 to 5 Kajal liner. So I'm gonna do the same. So she just applied it very close to her lash line. This is the best way to do it. So this is what she did for eyes, and she didn't apply any mascara or anything. So next she applied the blush. So I'm gonna take the same palette, face palette, and I'm gonna take this blush shade. So I'm just gonna take some product, dab on the excess, and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. So next she applied the highlighter, and she went with the Nykaa highlighter. So I'm gonna take the sugar highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply this on my nose because she applied it on the nose. Then she applied a lot on her cheeks. I just love how this highlighter is looking on my skin. It's really pretty. And at last she did her lips. So first she applied a lip liner. So I'm gonna take this Bella Voste lip liner in 002. I'm just applying it on my lips and just going, I'm just overlining my lips a bit. And at last she went with 3 different colors from Nykaa crayons. I think first Lacy Luck, Pink on Fleek, and Spice wala color. I think something like that. I don't have any of that color. I got this mini lipstick by Sugar, and I think the color is what she ended up having. It's like a very close color. So what she did, she just applied it on her hands and she just dabbed it on her lips. So I'm gonna go with this Love Me shade, and I'm just gonna dab it on my lips. I really love the look. I think it looks really good. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. So pretty much that's all for this look. I hope I did justice with this look. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. Till then, bye.